Imagine living in a world where contentment are magnetic traits. By shifting your focus inward, you not only enrich your life, but also make yourself truly missable. Emotional resilience and independence. At its core, Stoicism emphasizes one empowering truth: your reactions to events are within your control, even when the events themselves are not. This principle fosters emotional resilience. It's not about numbing your emotions. It's about understanding them and deciding how they influence your actions. In relationships, this means loving and caring deeply, but without letting your happiness depend on someone's presence or approval. This independence enables healthier, more balanced relationships built on mutual respect rather than dependency. Embracing the Stoic understanding of life's ebb and flow, we learn to adapt to change with grace. Every setback becomes an opportunity to grow and align our actions with our core values. By practicing self-awareness, gratitude, and aligning with what truly matters, we foster resilience and independence, qualities that deepen relationships and lead to genuine connection without losing ourselves. 3. Living a meaningful life. The Stoics, from Seneca to Marcus Aurelius, taught that meaning comes not from external success, but from cultivating virtues like integrity and wisdom. To create a meaningful life, we must reflect deeply on our values and live by them, even when it's challenging. Stoicism reminds us that true fulfillment comes from focusing on what we can control, our attitudes and choices, rather than chasing fleeting external accolades. Setbacks instead of obstacles become stepping stones. Through resilience and self-awareness, we find growth, understanding, and joy, even in adversity. Meaning is found in the small, consistent acts: kindness, integrity, and passion. Each of these adds depth to our lives, connecting us to others and aligning us with our values. Letting go of control. Much of our stress stems from trying to control the uncontrollable. The Stoics recognized this and taught us to focus on what we can influence: our perceptions, decisions, and reactions. Letting go of control doesn't mean becoming passive. It's about aligning efforts with values while detaching from outcomes. This mindset fosters flexibility, adaptability, and an inner peace that external chaos can't shake. When we relinquish our need to control everything, we open ourselves to deeper relationships, lower stress, and greater appreciation of life's beauty. The paradox is clear. By letting go, we gain freedom and power. Stoicism is more than a philosophy. It's a guide to living with wisdom, resilience, and peace. By embracing its principles, we can navigate life's challenges with grace, find meaning in the smallest moments, and build relationships rich in connection and mutual respect. The journey toward Stoic living doesn't promise a life free from trouble, but it offers something far greater: the strength to face adversity, the wisdom to act with virtue, and the serenity to accept what we cannot change. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. At Stoic Journal, we're here to bridge ancient wisdom with modern living. For more insights, check out the videos on your screen. Until next time, remember, the journey inward is the most meaningful journey of all.